To transfer files from iPhone to Windows, just go to share.monstertool.xyz. You can also find the link in the description. Open this website on your iPhone as well. Now, if you want to send files from your iPhone to Windows, on your iPhone, click on Send Files, then click on Select Files. You will see three options. You can choose any one according to your needs. For photos, click on Photo Library, and for other files like PDFs, GIFs, or any documents, click on Choose Files. This website supports all file formats: images, videos, PDFs, GIFs, and more. For now, I'll click on Photo Library. After clicking it, your gallery will open, and you can select your photos or videos from there. After selecting the files, click Done, and you will get a transfer code. Now, go to your Windows computer. One important thing to remember: your iPhone and your Windows computer must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network or router. You do not need any cable. On your Windows computer, click on Receive Files. After that, you will see two options. One is to scan a QR code, and the other is to enter the transfer code. Choose the second option, Transfer Code, and enter the transfer code that you received on your iPhone. After entering the code, click on Connect Now. As soon as you click Connect Now, the file transfer will automatically start from your iPhone to your Windows computer. You will see a progress bar showing the transfer speed and progress. If your receiver device asks to allow multiple downloads, just click Allow. After that, all your files will be transferred successfully. This website does not require any installation. It's completely free, and it works on Windows, Android, Linux, macOS, iPhone, basically every operating system.